What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to find potential meme coins on Photon. Now to do this, the process is really simple. Just follow these steps and utilize these tools that I'm going to show you guys in this video. And if you don't have an account, you can follow the link in description that I will provide to log into your Photon Soul account. And if you don't know how to make your account, you can also check my other video where I show you how to log into your Photon Soul account. And here we are on the main page of Photon, and here we'll like to select this new pairs section to see all the newly created pairs. And the first thing we see are these filters to sort out our newly created pairs even more. You can disable these that I have disabled. They just make these coins more safer, but we want to make sure that we find the coin as early as possible, so I have not selected them. You can even select them according to the market cap. For example, I want coins with minimum market cap of 20,000 and maximum of 30,000. So that's how you can go and sort out your newly created pairs according to your own preference. The next things we see are these texts. We want to see the newly created pair of all types. That's why we'll keep them all turned on. The next thing is this quick buy option, and I have set it to 0.3. It allows you to buy a meme coin as quickly as possible on a tap. Now let's say you find a very potential meme coin and you want to snipe it or just buy it as quickly as possible. Now for that, this option is very useful. For example, here the first thing we wanna see while finding a good potential coin is the amount of transactions that occurred on that coin, and also the amount that top traders hold. And on the right side you see this quick buy and buy and sell options. You can utilize them according to your own preference. You can simply type in the amount you want to buy, or you can head over to quick buy button and buy according to the set amount you did earlier for quick buy. Well, that's all. That's how you can utilize these tools. So that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.